Hi, parents. You are so welcome to our Spring 2021 Achieve Open House, virtual open house. And we're so happy that you're here with us, and we're so happy that you had made contact with us. Okay, so I'm Professor Gonzalez. I am your son or your daughter's Spanish teacher. So this is a dual enrollment course. Okay, this is the course description, and I am going to please ask you to ask your son or your daughter for their password to Blackboard so that you can see everything that we're doing at STC. Okay, as you can see right here, you have my contact information. My syllabus is embedded in the Blackboard, and you will be able to get my emails both from STC and from McAllen ISD. I'm housed right now in room 102 at Achievely College. If you ever want to have a conference with me, you're so welcome. My office hours are from 8 in the morning to 8:45, and we can also have a virtual conference if you cannot come in person. But if you want to come in person, I'm also here. Okay, I have everything on the syllabus, and all of the assignments are by dates. Everything is in here in the syllabus, and also we're mainly working with Blackboard. Okay, so at the weekends, what I do is I transfer all of the grades from Blackboard to our Skyward. And we're so happy to have you here. So whenever you need me, I'm just a phone call away. Welcome. Thank you.